Majestic Water Spouts offers splash guards that reduce unwanted splashing from fountains. Available in many shapes, sizes, and finishes, these handcrafted splash guards keep water in your fountain basin and off your deck, walkway, or pavers. Our splash guards are engineered to reduce fountain splashing in both rock and water-filled fountain basins. Splash is reduced by 80% in water-filled basins and 95% in rock-filled basins. Thin-style splash guards are the most universal and can be used in both rock and water-filled basins. They're available in oval and rectangular shapes in sizes ranging from 10 inches to 96 inches in width. Adjustable leg kits for thin-style splash guards are available for water-filled basins, allowing for effective placement of splash guards between 9 1/4 and 13 1/4 inch in height. Box-style splash guards are available for water-filled basins that will be highly visible or when you want to impress the HOA. If standard splash guard sizes do not meet your requirements, Majestic Water Spouts can design and manufacture a custom fountain splash guard for your project. Popular styles of fountains that require custom splash guards include Waterfall Fountains, outdoor round-tiered fountains, indoor fountains, wall fountains, Cascading Fountains, bowl fountains, Tabletop Fountains, and pond spillways. Splash guards are available in marine-grade stainless steel and copper finishes. Copper fountain splash guards can be purchased with a pre-applied patina finish as well. While some customers prefer the symmetrical look of the same size water feature and splash guard, a smaller splash guard may be suitable due to water's natural behavior to condense as it falls. Another environmental consideration when sizing your splash guard is wind that can disrupt the water stream as it falls towards the basin. Installation of a splash guard is as easy as placing the product in the water-filled basin or clearing some rocks and nestling amongst. If more security is needed, flanges are included on splash guard legs and box style. Fountain splash guards are also useful in fountains for leaf mitigation, keeping rodents and birds out of fountains, taming roof drainage, or other applications where splash reduction is desired. To order your splash guard today, visit majesticwaterspouts.com, email us at hello@majesticwaterspouts.com, or call us at 888-702-2558.